Hello and welcome. Today we're in Castelnuovo in this marvelous valley in Trentino in northern Italy, where we find the headquarters and the production plant of WLP. WLP are renowned worldwide for their sanitizing, dust and odor suppression systems. Today, more specifically, we'll have a look at the heavy duty series. In particular, the 700 pole cannon. Come with me, let's have a look. This is one of WLP's biggest cannons. It weighs about 700 kilograms, and this version in particular is the self-standing pole version, which can be transported by forklift from the 4 directions, while there is also the trailer version, which is available with 2 wheels. Here we have the body of the system. Here we have the water pump here and the switchboard. On top we have the cannon head. So the 700 pole cannon system runs on a 3-phase industrial power supply of 400 volts and 50 hertz, which are also available in different voltages and frequencies depending on the country. Then here we have the industrial water connection, which is regulated by this electronic valve. So basically the water comes up from the base through this tube into this stainless steel filter, which guarantees clean water for the pump. The water comes out of the filter, down this tube and directly into the water pump. So the water comes out of the pump through this tube, which in turn feeds a collector here inside the body of the system, which is then split into 3 tubes which are regulated independently by electric valves. So from the water collector inside the body here, the water is supplied through these 3 independent tubes to the crown of the cannon. This version is electric, but it's also available in the manual version. So these 3 tubes feed the crown of the cannon with water. As you can see, there are 3 layers which are independent and run on different flows of water. For example, the back row runs on 5 gallons per hour, the middle one on 10 gallons per hour, and the front one on 15 gallons per hour. These nozzles are in stainless steel and are not welded but screwed on, so they're easily changed or cleaned. So here we have the protection grid. And behind the protection grid we have the fan. Okay, behind the fan you may see the yellow fins, which together with the inclination of the nozzles at the other end of the cannon guarantee a maximum efficiency of the spray. So the cannon head has a rotation range of 340 degrees, while the inclination is of 65 degrees, -20 to +45. In optimal conditions, the maximum throw distance is in the range of 60 to 70 meters. So here we have the main control panel of the cannon. And as you can see with these buttons, we can activate the fan here, the pump. We can operate the rotation and the inclination of the cannon head using these arrows. These 3 buttons regulate the 3 independent valves that supply water to the crown of the cannon. And with this radio button, we activate the remote control, so the cannon can be operated from a safe distance. These timers allow us to program the cannon so it can work automatically. Once we've activated the radio on the control panel, we can operate the cannon from a safe distance with this remote control. It's very simple indeed. We can regulate the inclination, the rotation, we can turn on and off the fan and the pump, and we can regulate the 3 independent valves by these 3 buttons. And for good maintenance of the cannon, it's advisable to change the filter every now and then, and to drain water tubes after using the machine. That's it from me today. Thank you for watching. I hope this video was useful. And if you need any more information about these WLP cannons, please do visit our website, which is wlpdust.com.